Are you planning a vacation here to Bali soon? Well, check this video out for tips to go in Ubud. This last weekend we went to Ubud and we stayed in this gorgeous villa right on the rice fields. We decided to share this villa here with a few friends of ours, and it was a really cool experience. If you don't already know, Bali is a very affordable place to live. Even for short vacations or a longer stay, you can get really gorgeous places to stay here for a really good rate. We paid just under $300 for the entire weekend here among all of us. So this is the villa here. We are staying here in Ubud this weekend, and this is one of the rooms here. There are a total of 3 rooms here in this villa, and they all look kind of similar to this, but it's quite nice. Inside of this room here, you got this pretty big and spacious bathroom like this, and a really beautiful shower. And then there's a toilet in this section here, and also you do get a small little TV. Views all around. That is Carlos there. Hey! And yes, we're just about to go for a swim, and right on the rice fields here. Ubud is located towards the center of the island, known for its spectacular waterfalls, rice fields, and stunning sunsets. In Ubud, there are so many good restaurants here. You can get anything from sushi to local cuisine, depending on what you're craving. And if you drive just a little bit away from Ubud, you can go to some of the most stunning rice fields that you've ever seen here in Bali. The entry fee for most of these rice fields can be anywhere from 10 to 50k. We only paid 15k for one person, which is less than $1. So we're here at SUWAT waterfall, the entrance of the waterfall, and yeah, apparently it's a nice waterfall. We're gonna go check it out and see. Apparently you can even swim there, so we might do that. The waterfall we saw was called SUWAT waterfall, and it was only 15k as well to go to this waterfall. Not only was the waterfall stunning, but we even went for a swim inside. The water is cold, but it is so refreshing. We even saw one of the locals jump from inside the cave into the waterfall, and it was really cool to see. What's nice about going to Ubud, it is only an hour away from Canggu and about an hour and a half away from Uluwatu. It's a great place to go for the weekend getaway or even a longer stay. And in some cases, Ubud can even be cheaper than Canggu or Uluwatu. There are so many beautiful villas here to rent on Airbnb and other websites, and it's good to check out to see the different options you can get. You can rent a typical Airbnb for a villa anywhere from $50 a night all the way up to around $500 or more a night, depending on how big and where you stay. So if you are planning to come to Bali and you are already in Canggu or Uluwatu and want to get away for the weekend, going to Ubud is a great choice. Among many other places nearby, it is a good option if you want to see more nature, waterfalls, and lots of rice fields. Also, be sure to try some of the local street food in Ubud. You can get anything from nasi goreng to mee goreng and many other dishes such as ayam geprek, really tasty fried chicken, and even healthy options too. But definitely check it out if you are in Ubud and staying